Okay, today we've got a Ranger Crew 800 with a random misfire, and sometimes throws a code on the dash, but not every time. But there is a way that you can force it to show itself. First, determine that your air filter oil's up, all of the necessary fluids and filters are there where they should. Spark plugs, have a look at them, make sure they're not fouled. If everything looks good, passable, and you still got a random misfire, and on these, they won't show you always the engine light. Increasing the RPMs so that we can find it, but I'll show you an easy way to do this. We have our injectors, 1 and 2, or PTO, and ignition, the stator side. There the engine fell, start to stumble, and on the dash we have a light. All of a sudden, it runs better. It runs worse. It runs better. It runs worse. The bottom line is PTO side injector assembly. Not that big a deal to change, but it is causing our misfire and engine code. So easy fix, but again, first make sure all your fluids, filters are good, spark plugs, level there, all that's not been run hot. If all that's good and passes, conservatively ridden machine, and you still have a random misfire, you can always go over and grab the injectors like we did and move them back and forth, and it'll usually show itself because the connection is actually epoxied on these. Even though they appear to be removable, little connections are epoxied and they're not designed to be removed. So anyway, I think Polaris has had trouble with the injector connection, gluing, bonding, failure there on those injectors going back to 07, 08 on the little 700s, but it's still the same setup, same engine, and I've got another one in, so 2 injectors on their way, and these will be back in service. But just thought I would pass that little tidbit on for random misfire on the earlier 800, 700cc Rangers. Thanks for watching.